This is one amazing thing I ever discovered in my life. And this morning I drove from the home, hour and a half, and got home, finished up a lot of work, and I opened the refrigerator. There's the crabs and the fish was got from my friend 4 days ago. And I opened to clean that, and now look at what I found. So am I going crazy or this thing is moving? The fuck? Literally, I'm pushing this. Look at this. What the heck? This is such incredible, and it's creepy. It's been 4 days, at least 5 days, still in the refrigerator. It was supposed to be dead, and come out the partner was to clean it up and packed it under this bag with this fish for like 4 days. Look at this guy. He's a survival, and I'm not joking. It creeped me out too. After 4 days, coming out from the plastic bag is still alive. That's a creep. So I am gonna go take him in the ocean and let him go. That is creepy. Again, come with this dead fish and another dead crab. Right here, I'm just about to clean after 4 days that I put in the refrigerator. Thing I'm gonna clean later, but this thing is survived. It's amazing, and I feel bad and I feel creepy same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Here's the beast. After 4 freezing, surviving without leg, no food, no breathing, no oxygen, 4 days. So I'm taking him to the place he can survive. He's very excited to go in the water. So I'm right here in the Indian River Lagoon. I literally drove 15 minutes from home to get here to release this guy to he can go in his habitat. So I feel bad for the others now, because here's the things. All the lives matters, not only human. So it's important. So I'm gonna slowly release him, see how did he relax on here. Look at him go! Look at him go! There we go.